I will talk about how can you add websites on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on this sign, you click on it. When just clicking this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on website here. When just click on website, so then it's going to show for you list like this here. And here add your websites here in this list. When you don't, just go, so when you add here your websites here, just go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.